It's you and I. God has made us for love. It's true. I've rarely found someone like you. Well, it's stayed. The love you feel for me, will it say that you will be by my side to see me through until my life is through? Well, in my mind, we can conquer the world in love, you and I, you and I, you and I. I am glad, at least in my life, I have found someone who may just be here forever to see me through. But I found strength in you, such strength in you. I only pray that I have shown you a brighter day, because that's all that I am living for. You see,
better kiss now, wouldn't you? Hey.
Don't worry what happens to you. I know that you will stay here always, always in love, you and I, you and I, you and I. Ooh, I know that in my mind we can conquer the world and love, you and I, just you and I, you and I. You and I.